If you're looking to build up your STEM skills and learn how to solve problems like a scientist, Oribel's VertiPlay Marble Run is one place to start. The Marble Run is perfect for kids 5 years and older. Or
check out the VertiPlay Marble Run. It's powered by gravity, and it really helps your kids when it comes to problem solving, fine motor, and critical thinking skills.
Trying out their new VertiPlay Marble Run. It's a great STEM toy for all ages, and if you're interested in building your own, I recommend the Triple Fun Set.
Hi everybody, my name is Yuena, and I am a mom of 2 beautiful kids, and as much as I love my kids, one of the things I don't like is all their toys all over the floor. It helps their problem solving skills, critical thinking, and their STEM development. It's not just a simple game, you can always have further challenges, and the possibilities are endless.